Hey everyone, let's get right into it. I want to show you my favorite skincare products that I use every day and before applying makeup. I use this sunscreen by Kiehl's every day. It doesn't leave a white cast and it's easy to rub in. Then I love the Kiehl's Ultra Gel Face Cream. This definitely leaves my face very moisturized. This Lancome is a night cream for lifting, and I don't use this before my makeup, but I just had to put that in there because that one is so good. This serum by Bye Bye Lines. I also use this on my face and neck prior to my makeup. So you want to make sure you put all of that on before applying your makeup so your skin is rejuvenated and ready for makeup application. I don't like touching my face with my hands because I feel like that's why my face is always breaking out. So I use a makeup tool to rub everything in. This is me just showing you how I apply everything and how everything comes out as I'm applying. I do make it my business to use sunscreen every day, every single day, every day. It doesn't matter. And a moisturizer, because I feel like those are the most important steps in my skincare routine to have that replenishing look. You also don't want to forget the neck. Never ever forget your neck when you are applying your sunscreen and moisturizers, especially before makeup. I'm not a makeup artist or dermatologist, but these are just my tips that I use, and this is how my skin comes out shortly after. So good looking. Yes, honey, the makeup's not even on yet. I have to take a bite, I'm hungry. So I'm going in with the Juvia's matte foundation. I love this foundation. I've been using this for years and it always covers up just as much as I need it. Anything matte is just my go-to. I have very oily skin, so this foundation is just like icing on the cake. I forgot to apply my e.l.f. grip primer, but it's okay. We're gonna go in with the Revlon concealer, and this concealer is actually really good. I got it from Walgreens and it does what it needs to. Then we're gonna go in with the NYX concealer color corrector. Don't forget those laugh lines and those T areas as such as I'm showing. And make sure you are blending to the best of your abilities. I like to go for a more natural look, so I'm gonna go in with this loose setting powder that I also got from the drugstore. This is good for like up to 4 hours, but you will need to retouch after using. I am using this MAC hydrating setting spray, and then I'm going in with my lip liner from Amazon, and I think I'm gonna go with the pink, but I usually use these NYX lip glosses and they never fail me. Now that my face is dry, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.